My name's Ola, based in the UK, representing Dilmah across the Hilton hotels. This is my first time in Sri Lanka in the Tea of School, affiliating, and mingling with the beautiful people rather from Sri Lanka, going to the tea plantations. It's been a mixed bag of emotions, a humbling experience, an amazing experience, visiting the factories, seeing how the teas have been made. Really is inspiring. I mean, I did a little bit of research before I came here on the Dilmah website, but experiencing this in real life and real time is nothing compared to what I had in mind after my research on the Dilmah website. It's really been an amazing journey and experience for me. Visiting, the charitable organizations, the tea plantations has given me a lot of talking points when I go back to the UK to represent Dilmah. It's been an awe-inspiring experience, as mentioned.